Okay, so I have no idea what is going on here because I look straight, but this is like it's leaning, falling off. Doesn't that look off? For today, I have no plan in mind. Well, I kind of have like a gist of how I want to do my makeup. So this is like the first time I'm actually just doing my makeup for fun because we all know I'm not going anywhere for my birthday. I mean, like, really, where is there to go? And even on my birthday, I really don't wear makeup. Usually, like, I wear a red lip and like winged eyeliner and that's it. Or I'll just do a neutral look and like put on some lip balm because usually on my birthday we're eating out. But this time, I have no idea where my boyfriend is taking me for my birthday. He won't tell me. I know it's a trip somewhere. I know we're driving somewhere, but he won't tell me. But I know for sure I'm not going to be doing my makeup. I just want to feel like I'm actually going somewhere. So that's what we're doing today. I'm just going to put on my makeup, pretend like I'm going somewhere for my birthday. My birthday is on the 11th. Today is the 7th. But I mean, I woke up this morning and I feel like I already got my birthday present. Like, I'm just happy. I know a bunch of us are happy. Do you hear the ambulance? Oh my gosh, it's loud. So I'm gonna use some tape if I don't know what look I want to do, or if I'm doing my makeup for a video or I'm doing like favorites or something. Usually I like to do the tape thing because I can easily mess up if I want to, because when I'm just playing around I can get messy, and with tape it just cleans it up and just makes it look good and it's so much easier. Maybe like there. So yeah, that's one trick I do if I don't have a plan in mind. Like in my quarantine video, what I did during quarantine, that's what I did. I just put tape in the corner of my eye and just like put brown all over. Today was also going to be the first time I filmed while it is raining because it was raining earlier. It's supposed to rain throughout the day even though it stopped raining here. So hopefully it rains again because this is the first time I feel like I feel cozy. It doesn't rain here a lot, so it's nice when there's rain. I'm using my KimChi Rainbow Sharts palette, and whatever makeup I do on my birthday, or like if I'm going to a wedding, or anytime I'm actually wearing makeup out, all I do is just put a brown in the crease and something light, kind of like Champs. I've been wanting to use grape for the longest time, so I'm gonna try to put that somewhere in the look today. Hopefully that will work out because pink and then brown, like, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Toast first with a Sigma E40 taper blending brush. So yeah, I have no idea where we are going on my birthday. My boyfriend's really, really good at like surprises. I just saw the Airbnb app like hidden on his phone, and he's never had the Airbnb app. And I keep teasing him. I'm like, should I press on this? I just feel like I wanna play like rain music right now. It's so windy. I love the sound of wind too here. Maybe I'll just put like rain in the background of this video. It's just so we can be calm together. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Burnt. So we're using Burnt Toast. Okay, so now for the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with this deep dark brown chocolate. I really feel like this is a little bit too deep if I was actually going out. Maybe if I was like, I don't know, going clubbing or something, this is something I would do, especially if I'm gonna add chocolate. Oh my gosh, I don't even remember the last time I went clubbing, but maybe let's pretend that's where I'm going for my birthday. When do you think like they would open clubs back up again? I feel like because that's one of the most compact, crowded, germ place you could go to. Especially because like everyone's shouting in each other's ear, so like your saliva is going around. I feel like it's gonna be a while before clubs open back up. Maybe 2022, who knows? Who knows how long this is gonna be. Oh, this is such good, cozy, rainy music. I never cut the crease. When I'm going out, I just feel like cutting the crease is a bit too much, or it looks like I put effort into doing my makeup, but usually when I go out, I don't really want to look like I put any effort into my makeup. But I know that this pink, especially when I first got this palette and I was swatching it, that it doesn't really stick well. I did say that I feel like this is more for like maybe the inner corner, but I do want to put this. Ooh, I should probably put some pink in there. Oh my gosh. Because I feel like this is going to look so off with just pink and then brown. Oh, okay, I have to, okay, I'm going to put watermelon in there. Okay, so I'm going to take watermelon again with a fluffy brush. I'm just going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and Anastasia number 3 brush just to make a tiny cut crease. What's crazy is I have my whole like playlist of songs I love and it's on shuffle, and like every song that's been playing is really like perfect rain weather music, which is kind of weird because I have so much like heavy like rock songs in here, yet it keeps playing the chill rain music. So thank you, Spotify. I'm just gonna use my number 3 brush to get in the edges. See, like one after one, it's these like chill songs. I'm just gonna use my Tarte Double Take. Okay, so I thought that was recording the whole time. I basically put Urban Decay's Self-Adjusting Primer, Too Faced Born This Way Foundation in the shade Nude, and I put some Tarte Shape Tape under my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm definitely gonna need lots of setting powder because this makeup has established for me that apparently I'm going clubbing on my birthday. So let's pretend that's where I'm going with this makeup. Now we're going back to a realistic birthday look. I would definitely use my UOMA Double Take Sculpt and Strobe Duo Stick in White Pearl because this is pretty subtle and natural. So this is realistically what I would use on my birthday makeup. I have a highlighter and a contour stick because if you're trying to look as natural as possible, it's better if you use like a cream or liquid blush, highlighter, bronzer, etc. But I don't know if I would wear this like going to the club because I'd probably like sweat it off. Ooh. That was probably a lot. Oh my gosh, I don't remember how I blended this out last time. Was it with a sponge? I think that looks fine. I think I used a sponge last time. Okay, I have no idea if it's the foundation or the bronzer, but my skin's actually looking good, which is very, very rare. Okay, you know what? I am gonna put on some blush. This is Illamasqua's Lover. Like, I crushed it up and put it in this little tiny plastic container. This is still one of my favorite blushes. This was my first blush I ever bought. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Jacque Mgido brow liner. And for lashes, another very unrealistic thing because I do not wear lashes outside. I'm gonna use one of xoBeauty's lashes. I haven't decided. They're all in here. Like, I don't know which one's which, but I need like a thinner lash. Gosh, I suck at brows. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with chocolate. I'm gonna go back in with the lighter brown toast and that same small blending brush. So I'm just gonna do my lashes, eyeliner, and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I had to turn the light on because it's getting very gloomy. I am most excited for this is Artist Couture's Uncensored 2.0 lip gloss. I only have one lip gloss and like 2 nude lipsticks, but when I saw this Artist Couture one, it looked like 2-in-1. I feel like I'm set now, just from this, seriously, I feel like I'm set now with nude. From the reviews I've seen, it seems like everyone can wear this from very light to dark skin. It was kind of sketchy. I was like, can we really all wear this lip gloss? But it's thick enough to kind of look like a liquid lipstick, but not too thick. Liquid lipsticks, like when they dry and they're matte, it's like you could see all of the creases in your lips. But this is pigmented enough where it might seem like a liquid lipstick, but not too much. I feel like it's just a perfect balance. And then there's like peppermint in it. You can feel the cooling on your lips. I feel like I found it. I feel like I only have like 3 nude lipsticks. I mean, seriously, I feel like I'm set with this. I'm just gonna use my Jordana Tawny lip liner. Oh, and what I love is that all my nude lipsticks, the 3 nude lipsticks that I have, are all just a tiny little bit too light for my liking, and this darkens it like to the perfect shade. Dang, you can see how dark it is. Can you see that? It looks light because the sun's coming in, but it's actually pretty dark. That's pretty dark for this house. Yeah, honestly, you don't even need lip liner. It's a lip gloss. And you can put whatever nude as your lipstick and use it as a lip gloss, or you can use it by itself. Okay, my battery is dying. Hurry up. Okay, I have to hurry up so you guys can see what it looks like before my battery dies. See, like, can you see it's thick enough? The color's thick enough to be like a liquid lipstick. I mean, come on, that is such, oh my gosh, look at that lipstick color. It's such a perfect nude. And it's thick, but it's not too thick, and it doesn't feel like, I hate wearing lip gloss. It doesn't feel like chunky and sticky, like, and the peppermint feels so good. Okay guys, we are all set with this make-believe, me pretending like I'm actually going somewhere during quarantine birthday makeup vlog. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video.